Welcome back to GearGrinders. In today's video, we're talking about the highly anticipated 2025 KTM 450 SXF Factory Edition, a bike that's been fine-tuned for performance and designed to dominate the track. Whether you're a pro or an enthusiast, this Factory Edition is built to take things to the next level. Let's jump right into the details. Factory Edition Power and Performance. The 2025 KTM 450 SXF Factory Edition comes with an upgraded 450cc 4-stroke engine that's designed to deliver raw power and precision. KTM has refined the fuel injection mapping, delivering smoother throttle response and consistent power delivery across the rev range. The bike is equipped with a potent exhaust system that optimizes power and torque, helping you blast through any terrain with ease. Whether you're out on the track or hitting technical sections, the engine offers unparalleled performance. Lightweight, high-performance frame. A key feature of the 2025 450 SXF Factory Edition is its lightweight yet durable frame. KTM continues to focus on creating a balance between strength and flexibility, ensuring riders get the best of both worlds. The frame provides incredible stability while maintaining a nimble feel, allowing riders to maneuver easily through corners, jumps, and rough terrain. This upgraded chassis is perfect for both aggressive riders and those looking for precise control on the track. Advanced Suspension System. KTM has equipped the 2025 450 SXF Factory Edition with top-tier WPXACT suspension components. The 48mm air fork and the WP shock have been fine-tuned to offer the ideal balance of comfort, stability, and control. Whether you're charging through rough whoops or landing from big jumps, the suspension system ensures a smooth and controlled ride. Riders can easily adjust the suspension settings to fit their individual riding style, making it versatile for various track conditions. Factory Edition Styling and Features. The Factory Edition comes with a race-inspired design that's both functional and striking. It features exclusive graphics, gold anodized rims, and a factory look that pays homage to KTM's racing pedigree. But it's not just about looks. This bike also includes high-end features like a race-spec clutch system, improved airbox design, and advanced electronics for easier power adjustments, ensuring you're always in control. Technological advancements. KTM continues to lead the pack with innovative technology. The 2025 450 SXF Factory Edition is equipped with an updated engine management system, offering multiple mapping options to tailor performance to different track conditions. The bike also includes a new digital display for real-time performance monitoring, helping riders track their lap times, bike settings, and even fuel levels with ease. These tech enhancements ensure you're always one step ahead. Conclusion. The 2025 KTM 450 SXF Factory Edition is a powerhouse on two wheels, offering unbeatable power, superior handling, and advanced technology all wrapped up in a race-ready package. With its lightweight frame, premium suspension, and factory-level components, this bike is designed to take your riding experience to new heights. Stay tuned to GearGrinders for more updates on the latest and greatest in motocross.